Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Laundry Catalytics Trading. We're going to making Sunday Stock Talk Trading Overview video. This week we are looking at the XAU and we want to buy at support. We got daily support 1, day hour support 4, and hour support 1 at the same area as hour support 4, or hour 4 support. We've tested this uh, trade with Sam order block / support zone for last 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it says untested because they repaint, or rather, this has been the newest one that has been made under the previous. So even though it was slight in the movement of support zones, it did change. So what we want to do is exit out on the way back on the retest of our sell trade, enter a buy trade, and uh, finish our move with a hour 4 resistance of approximately 123 macaroons. Okay, so hour 4 resistance is right here. Our order block is, or our resistance zone is right here at 179.99. Okay, and when the hour 4 order block is painted for the sell, that's what exit. If you enter a moving average, you'll see that it's pointing downwards. Of course, if it's greater than 50 or 100, the whole MA is pointing downwards. Okay. So we are buying monthly resistance. A weekly support could end up for XAU falling down to here at 170, 1760. But long term, we want bullish behavior to take profit at 1830. So that's the hour 4 XAU USD. Here's price action on the hour 1. Looks like it's consolidation, but we want to get at the best area possible. And this is a weak support zone, so we want to be bullish for that. Okay, so this is our GBP USD trade. We're selling because there is price at resistance. This verified resistance zone has been retested one time according to the indicator, and our 4-hour order block is telling us to be bearish. It's telling us to sell. Okay, so we have a weekly support. We have a weak support here at hour 4 support at 1.34, and verified support lower than 1.345. Okay, so if we do find some bearish action, it should be for a short term before more bullish action. But basically, the strategy is to buy and sell at the order block that is in confluence with the support and resistance zones. Same as before, same as professional traders would trade, but more specifically, buy and sell at the support and resistance zones according to where the order block is painted. All right, let's look at S&P 500. We are showing some reversals at weekly support, hour 4 support at 46.64. Okay, so we can add our templates to this. And we're bullish. So S&P, of course, is one of those pairs that I usually consider to be bullish more times than not. So we'll continue to be bullish for that. GJ, on the other hand, has been ranging in this consolidation resistance zone past 4 or 5 days. So if you are selling, now would be the time to do so more than any. And I'm looking to buy at the day one support area, where this support support zone has been painted. Okay, so here's verified support and retests at 1. And here's the second support, so retest at 2. So we want to buy GJ for 4-hour trend. Okay, and that should conclude our assessment for the week. These are the pairs that we are trading, are consolidating. Euro US consolidating since November, says 24, and we've had just up and down sideways action even now. I'm gonna have buy limits below where price is at the 1.131. Okay, and USD CHF also looks bullish. We won't trade that in order to save time and effort for the GBP USD trades that we're selling currently, the short term, and XAU trades that we're buying for the long term. Okay. And that's it for this week's Stock Talk. See you next week.